Welcome to MrCross.org. This is a beginning tutorial on Microsoft Office 2010. In fact, this is going to be covering Microsoft Word, and it's a series of videos designed to kind of look at Microsoft Word so we can learn each of the features and use it productively in our classes. First, I just want to show you that in 2010 they've changed the ribbons a little bit compared to, say, 2003 that didn't even have ribbons. If you remember, like 2003, you had File, and then when you'd click it, you'd have a drop-down menu. Well, no longer. Now you're going to have a ribbon, and this is basically all of the features that used to be in the drop-down just laid out sideways, and it seems a little daunting at first because you're like, where did everything go? But it's actually all there, and it's fewer clicks to actually use it. So under the File setting, this is where we can save our documents, we can open new documents, we can print, we can do this new feature called Save and Send. When we go to the Home tab, this is going to be our formatting toolbar in the old version, and now we've got under the Home tab all of our copy paste for our format painter, all of our styles. We have our fancy font with our text effects, find, replace, select, all under one ribbon. When we go to Insert, this is where you're going to be able to put a new table in, insert pictures, clip arts, hyperlinks, text boxes, word art, quite a few different things in here. Page layout, this is where you're going to do themes for your pages, your styles. This is where you can change the page margins. That's definitely something to take note of because that has moved. It used to be in the File page setup. Now it's under page layout. References. This is a very cool section that we're going to talk in depth about. This is kind of something that I think is an excellent addition to the software. It allows you to make table of contents pages very easily, add bibliography, add resources, stuff that the old software used to do but not to this extent. Then we also have mailings, so this is where you can do your mail merging, so you can merge it with a database or some other data that you have. You can do your envelopes and labels under mailings. Reviewing, this is a great tool for teachers, educators. You can go through and actually review and mark up different documents and keep different changes on file so you can see how the paper has progressed. Then under View, this is where you're going to have the style of the view of the page that you want to. You can do your zoom here, so you can shrink it. You can switch your page up into 1 or 2 pages, so you can do quite a few different things in this View tab. Then we have the add-ins. Microsoft Office will support add-ins, so there's other plugins that can be inserted into Microsoft Word, and these plugins would be used through this add-in button. And then if you have things like Acrobat, you can actually have this create PDFs and you can send those on the web. That's a great format for doing some of those types of things. So in the next video, we're going to learn a little bit more about Microsoft Word. We're going to actually start working with a document and making some changes to it. I hope this video was helpful, and I want you to stay tuned for more.